Today we have an iPhone XS phone. Its backside glass is broken. We are going to replace the glass. So let's start after the intro. First, we start the galvanometer and auto scan option on the laser machine. Then select the phone model iPhone XS on CAD software. Now select the red light option on the software for positioning. Place the phone. After laser confirmation, click on the mark button on the CAD software. Laser marking on the process. Now carefully remove broken glasses. Remove old paste or glue from the phone body. Now clean with cleaning oil with a brush. Remove all stains and dust. After that, clean it with a tissue. Apply the paste on every possible point and edge. Take the phone with clips for a few moments. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel.